Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making some fish two ways, fried and sauteed. So let's get started. Let's get into it. Both were equally delicious, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Alright, let's get into it. I'm going to make my spice mix that's going to go for both kinds of fish. I'm going to use some Creole seasoning, some smoked paprika, and my dried thyme. I decided not to use salt because the Creole seasoning had more than enough salt, so I didn't need it. I didn't use it. So after you put all of your ingredients in your little bowl or whatever you use, mix it up. And it was just the right amount for both kinds of fish. This is the cornmeal that I'll be using. I feel like the cornmeal determines how crispy and light your fish will be. Because some of the cornmeals, they're like super rough or heavy, and I don't like that. So to this bowl, I'm going to add a cup and a half of cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of flour. Then you're also going to add 2 tablespoons of the spice mix that we just made. Mix that up, and that's going to be the breading for the fried fish. Alright, so this is the fish that I'll be sauteing in a skillet with some lemon juice. You want to season both sides with the rest of the spice mix that we just made. Set it to the side and let it chill out while we prep the rest of the meal. Well, the other kind of fish that I'm about to show you guys right now. So the ones that you are going to fry, you want to add some mustard and some hot sauce. Y'all know I love my hot sauce. Mix that up, put it to the side, and allow that to marinate as well. At this point, I'm basically just prepping everything and having it all laid out so I could be ready to go. This is the fish that had the mustard and the hot sauce that I'm now breading in the cornmeal mixture that we made earlier. So you want to put this all in the cornmeal, get it nice and bready. Do you see how fine that cornmeal is on the fish? Make sure you pay attention to the cornmeal that you buy to fry fish. So now I'm going to sear the fish, the one that's not going to be fried. I'm going to sear it in a little bit of butter and a tad bit of oil on both sides until for about 3 to 4 minutes. They don't take long at all. I'm going to add my lemon juice. You want to baste the fish with the lemon juice and the butter and everything. And look how pretty they look, you guys. And it didn't take much. Then remove it from the pot because you don't want to overcook it. Leave it on a plate and they look beautiful. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this fish. So now I'm just going to fry up the other fish. You already know, deep fry, oil, 350. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes. And that's pretty much it. Look at this right here, y'all. I almost burned my house down with that flip. That was very lazy and irresponsible. So I allowed it to drain on my rack. Look at the crisp. You see what I'm saying? Like with the cornmeal, look at the crisp on top of that fish. And this is what this plate looks like with the fried fish. I know some of y'all are probably going to pick the sauteed one. The sauteed one was actually really, really good. And yeah, so bam! I know y'all didn't see this coming. So I added it with some red beans and rice. And this was dinner. And yeah. Alright, y'all. So this is my plate. I made some red beans and rice to go alongside. Made this yesterday. I love red beans and rice. I already have a recipe. I'll post the link below. First of all, look how crispy and juicy this fish is. I wanted some fried fish today. Look how crispy. And it's perfectly seasoned. It's not over seasoned or salty. I'm happy I didn't put the salt on there because the Creole seasoning was enough.